Hello children, in previous class we studied about addition with and without carry. So today we are going to solve more sums about with and without carry in addition. First we are going to solve third Roman, find this sum in that A in first division. Okay, so we are going to start from the end. So 2 plus 4 will be 6 and 3 plus 6 will be 9. 4 plus 2 will be 6. 6 plus 3 will be 9. So what we are going to see is from the end we have to start. First add the end one, next second last one, and then move on to the first one. So now the same way 0 plus 7 will be 7. 9 plus 0 will be 9. 4 plus 5 will be 4 in your mind, 5 in your finger. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 5 plus 3 will be 5 in your mind, 3 in your finger. 5 after 6, 7 and 8. So we are going to move to the second Roman, B in that first question. This is with carry. So 8 plus 7 will be 8 in your mind, 7 in your finger. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you will be having 15 here. 5 is the unit and 1 is the carry. So here you will put 1. Then what you have to do is 1 plus 6 will be 7. 7 plus 2 will be 7 in your mind, 2 in your finger. 7 after 8 and 9. Then again 4 plus 1 will be 5. 3 plus 4 will be 3 in your mind, 4 in your finger. 3 after 4, 5, 6 and 7. Next, the same way this is also with carry. 4 plus 3 will be 4 in your mind, 3 in your finger. 4 after 5, 6 and 7. Same way 9 plus 6 will be 9 in your mind, 6 in your finger. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15. 5 is your unit or 10 and 1 will be your carry. So 8 plus 1 will be 9, 9 plus 2 will be 10, 11. So 1 and then you will have 1 carry. Five plus 1 will be 6, 6 plus 3. 6 in your mind, 3 in your finger. 6 after 7, 8 and 9. So we are next Roman letter will be C. In that you are going to see addition of 3 numbers. So we have written according to the place value, first units, then tens, then hundreds and then thousands. So 3 plus 1 will be 3 in your mind, 1 in your finger, 3 after 4. Then 4 plus 4 will be 4 in your mind, 4 in your finger. 4 after 5, 6, 7 and 8. So you will have 8 here. Then 9 here and 7 here. So you have to add 9 and 7 first. 9 plus 7 will be 9 in your mind, 7 in your finger. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you will be having 6 here and 1 will be your carry. You will take that one to the up. So 1 plus 4 will be 5. 5 plus 3 will be 5 in your mind, 3 in your finger. 5 after 6, 7 and 8. Here you have nothing. So you will be writing 2 as it is. So your answer will be 2, 8, 6 and 8. Likewise 7 plus 9 will be 7 in your mind, 9 in your finger. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So here you have 16. 16 plus 9. 16 after 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. So you will be having 25. Here you will be having 2 as your carry. You will take that to the top. 2 will be your carry. So 2 plus 6 will be 8. 8 plus 2 will be 9 and 10. 10 plus 4 will be 10 in your mind, 4 in your finger, 10 after 11, 12, 13 and 14. 14. So 1 again will be your carry. 1 plus 2 will be 3 and then 3 plus 3 will be 3 in your mind, 3 in your finger, 3 after 4, 5, 6. 6 here. And then 6 plus 1 will be 7. 8 you can write as it is. So your answer will be 8, 7, 4 and 5. So this is how you should do addition that is having 3 numbers. Okay. So now we are moving on to the next Roman letter, 4th Roman. So this will be exercise or something. So it's like kind of fun. What is a magical square? So a magical square is a square. Square means it's a box that contains equal length on all the sides, but here I have written in a rectangle, so don't consider that. Magical square means a box that contains numbers. On adding the numbers in rows or columns, you will get the same answer. If you add numbers in first row or second row or third row, you will get the same answer. Likewise, if you are adding from downwise, column wise also, you will get the same answer. And if you are adding diagonals means from right top to left bottom or left top to right bottom. So that is diagonal. Diagonals means nothing but a straight line that connects right top to the left bottom or left top to the right bottom. That is called diagonal. From the corner to downside another corner. Okay, that is what diagonal means. So now let's check whether this is a magical square or not. Now first we are going to take the first row. 1, 7, 2, 6, writing according to the place value, and 1, 5, 5 and 8. Then 2, 3, 9 and 8. Now we are going to add 6 and 8 first. 6 plus 8 will be 6 in your mind, 8 in your finger. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So here you got 14. Next you have to add this 14 with 8. 14 in your mind, again 8 in your finger. 14 after 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. So 22. Here 2 will be your carry. Take that to the top. 2 plus 2 will be 4, and then 4 plus 5 will be 4 in your mind, 5 in your finger. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here you got 9. So 9 plus 9 will be 9 in your mind, 9 in your finger. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So here you will be getting 18. Again 1 will be your carry. 7 plus 1 will be 8. 8 plus 5 will be 8 in your mind, 5 in your finger. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 3 will be 14, 15 and 16. 6 you will be having 16 here and 1 will be your carry. So 1 plus 1 will be 2, 2 plus 1 will be 3, 3 plus 2 will be 3 in your mind, 2 in your finger, 3 after 4 and 5. So we got 5, 6, 8 and 2. Let's see whether we will get the same answer with another row. Now let's check it with the second row. Add 6 plus 4. 6 in your mind, 4 in your finger. 6 after 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 plus 2 will be 10 in your mind, 2 in your finger. 10 after 11, 12. So 2 carry 1. So 1 plus 6 will be 7. 7 plus 9 will be 7 in your mind, 9 in your finger. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 plus 2. 16 in your mind, 2 in your finger. 16 after 17 and 18. So now 1 plus 5 will be 6. 6 plus 8 will be 6 in your mind, 8 in your finger. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 plus 2 will be 15 and 16. 6 plus 1 carry. 1 plus 2 will be 3. 3 plus 1 will be 4. 4 plus 1 will be 5. We got the same answer. 5, 6, 8 and 2. Now we will check with the column. We are taking the first column and going to check it. Okay. 6 plus 6. 6 in your mind, 6 in your finger. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 2 and 1 carry. 1 plus 2 will be 3. 3 plus 6 will be 3 in your mind, 6 in your finger. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So here you got 9. 9 plus 9 will be 9 in your mind, 9 in your finger. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 8, remainder will be 1. 7 plus 1 will be 8. 8 plus 5 will be 8 in your mind, 5 in your finger. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 3. 13 in your mind, 3 in your finger. 13 after 14, 15 and 16. 16. 1 remainder. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. 2 plus 2 will be 2 in your mind, 2 in your finger. 2 after 3 and 4. 4 plus 1 will be 5. We got the same answer. So next we are going to do with diagonal from corner top to corner bottom. Now we are going to calculate with the diagonal from corner top to corner bottom. So 6 plus 4 will be 10. 6 plus 4 will be 6 in your mind, 4 in your finger. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 2 will be 10 in your mind, 2 in your finger. 10 after 11 and 12. So 2 here you have unit and 1 as the carry. 1 plus 2 will be 3. 3 plus 9 will be 3 in your mind, 9 in your finger. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 plus 6 will be 12 in your mind, 6 in your finger. 12 after 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Now 1 plus 7 will be 8. 8 plus 8 will be 8 in your mind, 8 in your finger. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 plus 0 will be 16. 6 as a 100 and 1 as the carry. 1 plus 1 will be 2. 2 plus 1 will be 3. 3 plus 2 will be 3 in your mind, 2 in your finger. 3 after 4 and 5. We got the same answer everywhere. So, if you are adding any numbers in rows or columns or diagonals, you will be getting same answer. Try it yourself in the home and find all the columns are going along. So we have come to the last Roman, which is solve the problems. Now we are going to see a full problem and we are going to take the numbers to add and then add and give the answer. Now I am going to read out the question and then solve the problem. A godown has 2360 quintals of ragi and 3427 quintals of maize. So 2360 quintals of ragi and 3427 quintal of maize. So they are asking what is the total weight of food grain stored in the godown. Now we are going to add a total quintal of ragi and a total quintal of maize to get the total grains. Stored in the godown. What we have to do is add the quintal of ragi and maize to get the total amount. Now we are going to add 2360 plus 3427. Like we add in the normal sums. 0 plus 7 will be 7, then 6 plus 2 will be 6 in your mind, 2 in your finger, 6 after 7 and 8. Likewise 3 plus 4 will be 3 in your mind, 4 in your finger, 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 3 will be 2 in your mind, 3 in your finger, 2 after 3, 4 and 5. So this is the answer for first question. So moving on to the second question. In a panchayat area, there are 4,275 mens and 4,312 women and 1,380 children. What is the total population of the area? They are given 4,275 men and 4,312 women and 1,380 children. So they are asking what is the total population. Total population means all the people including men, women and children or the total population. Now what we are going to do is we are going to add them. So 5 plus 2 will be 5 in your mind, 2 in your finger, 5 after 6 and 7. So 7 plus 1 will be 8, 8 plus 8 will be 8 in your mind, 8 in your finger, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 6 and 1 will be your carry. And 1 plus 2 will be 3, 3 plus 3 will be 3 in your mind, 3 in your finger, 3 after 4, 5 and 6. 6 plus 3 will be 6 in your mind, 3 in your finger, 6 after 7, 8 and 9. 4 plus 4 will be 4 in your mind, 4 in your finger, 4 after 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 plus 1 will be 9. So the total population of the area is 9,967. The last sum will be your homework. A circus company collected 6,375 in the first show and 2,895 rupees in the second show of the day. What is the total amount of the money on that day? So we are going to add the money collected by them in the first day with the money collected in the second day. So this is your homework sum along with the sums I left unsolved in the first Roman. Okay. So see you children. Bye.